My dear students, welcome to the IMS GATE Academy. I am Vijay Agarwal. I hope you all are safe and fine. Now the GATE exam is over and you are thinking about the what is the minimum GATE score is required to get the admission in particular IITs, ISC Bangalore and NITs, and what is the admission procedure, placement, campus life. If you thinking about all these questions, then my dear student, this video is very important for you. And if you are preparing for GATE 23 and 24, then you can experience the expert level preparation live at your home. You can visit the website www.imsindia.com/GATE and you can use the code TJ20 to get the 20% discount. Now, once again, welcome to all of you in a MTech guidance program for computer science, in which I am going to cover all topmost 7 IITs and ISC Bangalore and top 5 NITs. And what I am going to cover in this session, I am going to cover each and everything. What is the meaning of each and everything? What is the admission process, what is the GATE score is required, and what is the important dates, and what are the placement and campus life in particular IITs, ISC Bangalore, in NITs. Okay. So, here I am taking topmost 7 IITs, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, Kanpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kharagpur and ISC Bangalore, and 5 NITs, NIT Tirchi, NIT Surathkal, Rourkela, NIT Warangal and NIT Calicut. First of all, one common doubt, one common question in the student community, ki sir, we have to apply each and every IIT and ISC Bangalore separately, or there is only one form? No, my dear student, the answer is you have to apply separately. So, you have to apply separately to these respective institute for MTech admission, but you can access the admission offer by registering at COAP, Common Offer Acceptance Portal, from all the participating institutes where the candidate apply for MTech admission. Mean to say, you have to apply in ISC Bangalore, IIT, 7 IITs, every IIT separately, but you can access, you can see where you get the seat with the help of COAP, Common Offer Acceptance Portal. And what is the procedure for that? It is a very simple. First of all, you have to register by inserting some general information like GATE registration number, GATE scorecard, name, DOB, email ID and mobile number. So, you can register. Then after the registered, when you applied, then you have 3 options. First is accept and freeze, second retain and wait, and third reject and wait. Now, I am going to explain each and every option one by one. First of all, let's suppose you apply in 3 IITs and 1 ISC Bangalore. Okay. 3 IITs, you have offer 1, offer 2, offer 3 and offer 4. You applied, let's suppose 3 IITs, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, any one of them, and ISC Bangalore. Now, there are 3 options: accept and freeze, retain and wait, and reject and wait. Accept and freeze means if you get the choice which is filled by you, according to you, mean to say, if you get the stream and branch which is offered by the ISC or any IITs in which you applied according to your choice, then you can select accept and freeze and your admission is confirmed and you have to do rest of the formalities. Okay. Now, you can see here accept and freeze means you accept the offer without the possibility of upgrading your higher choices. Retain and wait mean to say, if you are not getting the proper choice which you required in that sequence, so you can have an option retain and wait. What happen in retain and wait? You can retain that choices and you go for next round also. Like if you are not accept that offer which is offered by the IIT or ISC in which you have applied, then you can use select retain and wait, then submit and you go for next round. And third point is reject and wait. Reject and wait means you reject all the offers. You reject all the offers which is offered by the IIT or ISC in which you applied, but you want to go for next round. So, reject and wait is the option in which you cannot select any offer and select the reject and wait, then you go for the next round. This is a very simple process, and but very important point, you can choose my dear retain and wait only twice. Mean to say not more than twice you have this facility. Retain and wait you can use only twice. So, now I'm going to explain each and every topmost 7 IITs and ISC Bangalore and topmost 5 NITs in each and every terms. First of all, I'm talking about the IIT Madras. In IIT Madras, NIRF ranking is 1. NIRF is what? National Institutional Ranking Framework, that is proposed by the MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development. NIF ranking is IIT Bangalore, IIT Madras is 1, and QS ranking is 255. Now, what are the specialization? IIT Madras offer computer science and engineering, and what are the cutoff? In 2021 and 2022, approximate cutoff gate score is 816 and 811. For a general category, EWS category 761 and 756, and for OBC non-creamy layer, that is 723 and 721. For a SC 596, 542, and ST category 430 and 457. Mean to say, if you belongs to general category and if your gate score is 800 plus, then you have a chance to get the admission in IIT Madras. And if you belongs to EWS category, above 750, you have a chance to get the admission in IIT Madras. If you belongs to OBC non-creamy layer, 720 is the minimum. And if you belongs to SC category, then 590 plus cutoff is required. If you belongs to SC, then approximate 450 plus you will get the chance in IIT Madras. Now, this is about the campus life. It is spread in 250 acre area, and it is globally recognized institute with a world class facility, my dear student, and it is the top rank engineering college 4 consecutive years, my dear students, and they have so many researches. And this is the very important dates. What is the advertisement date? Second last week of Feb you will get the second last week of March you will get the advertisement. And what is the beginning of online application? Last week of March you will apply. And what is the written test interview date schedule? You will get last week of April. And what is the date of written test? That is last week of May. So these are the important dates for IIT Madras, my dear student. And second one is ISC Bangalore. It has a NIRF ranking is 2 and QS ranking is 186. And most of the computer science student have a dream. I'm saying कि not any IITs or ISCs, I'm not comparing any IITs or NITs, I'm just telling it depends student point of view. Like if you belongs to Bangalore, then you prefer ISC Bangalore as compared to IIT Bombay. Yeah, if you live in Maharashtra, then you prefer IIT Bombay as compared to ISC Bangalore. It depends on student choice, है ना. So ISC Bangalore is also topmost choice of the CS branch student. And what are the streams they provide? They provide basically 2 type of courses. First one is CSA, Computer Science and Automation, and second one is CDS, Computational Data Science. First of all, what is the meaning of CSA and CDS? Generally, in a core we have CSA, Computer Science and Automation, and some interdisciplinary we have CDS also, and all other branches like Artificial Intelligence we also have. But what happen in CDS, Computer Science plus Mathematics portion. But here I am taking core, Computer Science and Automation. And what are the branch? There is only one branch, CSA, Computer Science and Automation. But in this CSA we have 3 pools: Intelligent System, Theory System, and Computer System. What happen? Cutoff is same for all these, but when you going for admission, you have to select any of these pool. Then you have to do your research work. What is the cutoff for a general category? In 2021 780, and approximate cutoff for a 2020 884, and EWS 740 and 807 in 2021 and 2020 respectively. OBC non-creamy layer 740 and 801, and SC 600 620. For ST category 425 and 410 in 2021 and 2020 respectively. So this is the very important choice. And in ISC Bangalore we have interdisciplinary branch also, means EC student can also apply in CS, and CS student can also apply in some various other stream also. But again I am saying here I am taking only core branches, CSA, Computer Science and Automation. I am not taking CDS as well as AI also. And this is also campus life. It is spread on 371 acre area, and it is also globally recognized institutes with world class facility, and it provides an amazing and creative environment to promote independent thinking, my dear student. And this curriculum provide broad based knowledge and simultaneously build a temper for a lifelong process of learning and exploring, my dear. And these are the important dates. Advertisement you will get second last week of Feb, and beginning of online application process last week of February. And written test and interview schedule second last week of April, and date of written test or interview first week of May. After that, second important choice of the CSE student, yeah, you can say dream of the CSE student, IIT Bombay, that is also known as IIT Bombay or Powai, and it has an NIF ranking is 3 and QS ranking is 177, and it also offer only one specialization, that is computer science and engineering. And what is the GATE score required? 876 in 2021 and 830 in 2020 for a general category. For a EWS category, 753 and 807. OBC non-creamy layer 761 and 725 in 2021 and 2020 respectively, and SC 673 and 616, and for a ST category 542 and 756, my dear students. So this is also spread in 550-acre area. World class facilities offer best environment for the self growth, and different event like Mood Indigo and Tech Fest, E-Summit are the soul of IIT Bombay, in which Mood Indigo and Tech Fest are the Asia biggest event. So my dear student, if you are thinking about the IIT Bombay, you are also good, you are also in the correct way. And these are the important dates, these are the important dates. You will get the advertisement second last week of March, and online application process start from the last week of March, and written test or interview schedule detail you will get last week of April, and date of written test and interview last week of May. And I have mentioned here some things like RA, FA, PS, IS, SW category. What is the meaning of this? So first of all, most of the student thinking only ki sir, we have direct GATE scorecard, then we can directly get the admission. Yes, but if your GATE scorecard is not so good, then some of the IITs provide an alternative way also. Along with the GATE scorecard, they have interview session. RA stands for research assistantship, FA means fellowship awardee, PS means IS means institutional staff, PS means project staff, SW means sponsored category. So what happen in this category, my dear student, along with the GATE scorecard, you have some written test, examination as well as interview also. So based on these things, you will get the admission also. And what happen, some of the institutes like required minimum 60%, but ISC Bangalore don't have such type of requirement. If your BTech not in 60%, if you in your BTech you don't have 60%, then you are able to get the admission in ISC Bangalore also. But some of the IITs and NITs strictly offer 60% is required in minimum in your BTech curriculum. So in this RA research assistantship, fellowship awardee या project staff या institute staff या sponsored category, along with the GATE scorecard, you have to give the written test and interview as well. And these are the about the IIT Bombay. Then IIT Delhi, NIRF ranking is 4. IIT Delhi is also well renowned for a computer science student, and in this it offer a computer science and engineering. What is the GATE score? GATE score is required 800 in 2020 and 800 in 2019, and EWS scheme 720 and OBC 720, SC 550 and ST 550 for a interview plus GATE score plus interview also. But we have direct admission also. देखो generally we classified into two type, TA and RA. Some IITs and NIT, some IITs and ISC Bangalore, they have different type of courses. In some IITs they have RA course also. TA means teaching assistantship. You will get the direct admission on based on your GATE scorecard. But some of the IITs and ISC, yeah, depends ki what they advertise. So some of the take the along with the GATE score, take the written test and interview as well as. But some of the only take the interview, some of the take the both. So here this is not about the direct, this is about the GATE score as well as interview and written examination. But for a direct, the score must be 900, means instead of 800 there must be a score of 900, then you will get the admission in IIT Delhi in 19 and 20. And this is the campus life. It is also spread in 320-acre area. It is also recognized, globally recognized for a world-class facility. The ambience of the student life and activities of the campus to provide a innovative, creative environment which promise independent thinking, my dear students. And these are the important dates you will get the advertisement in the second last week of March, beginning of online application process last week of March, written test and interview schedule last week of May, and date of written test and interview first week of June. Already I told na ki here this is the cutoff, this is the gate score along with the written test or interview, and for a direct admission it is 900. After that I am talking about the IIT Kanpur. It has NIRF ranking is 5 and QS ranking is 277, and these are the specialization. It offer only computer science and engineering. These are the score: 760 in 2021 and 775 in 2020 for a general category. For a EWS 670 and 697, for a OBC non-creamy layer 670 and 697 in 2021 and 2020, and 505 and 516 in 2021 and 2020 respectively for a SC category, and ST category 505 and 516 in 2021 and 2020 respectively. These are the approximate score in 2021 and 2020 respectively, and it is also a very large campus, 1055 acre area, and it is globally recognized institutes. There are many festivals and hobby clubs, sports facility and cultural societies. So IIT Kanpur offer a vibrant campus life, my dear. So you can find the beautiful and peaceful campus place to live, my dear. And these are the important dates. You will get the advertisement second last week of March for IIT Kanpur, and beginning of online application, that is also start from last week of March, and written test interview schedule, that is last week of May, and date of written test or interview, that is first week of June. So these are the date in which I am going to explain. These are the dates in which each IITs or ISC offer ki where we start, when we start the admission process, and what is the date of examination, what is the date of written test. Each and everything I am going to discuss here. After this I am talking about the IIT Kharagpur. It has an NIRF ranking 6 and QS ranking is 280, my dear student, and it also offer only one branch for MTech, computer science and engineering. Generally all the IITs offer computer science and engineering. NITs offer different stream in some different NITs, which will be discussed in today's session. Don't worry about that. So in a general category 776 in 2021 and 799 in 2020 for a general category, and for a EWS category 731 and 791 approximate gate score, and for a OBC non-creamy layer 682 and 698, for a SC category 550 and 566, and for a ST category 412 and 434 in a 2021 and 2020 respectively, my dear students. And if I am talking about the campus life, it is also spread on 2100 acre. It is also globally recognized with world class facility, and each and every the campus offer everything in a comfortable and completely immersive college experienced by the provision of state of art level of infrastructure for the student, my dear. And these are the important date, because what is the main important thing, what are the cutoff for a last year, and what are the date in which we get the advertisement, we get the form, when we have to apply. So these are the advertisement you will get second last week of March, and beginning of online application process, that is last week of March, and written test interview schedule detail you will get the last week of May, and date of written test interview first week of June. After this IIT Roorkee, it has an NIRF ranking is 7. IIT Roorkee NIRF ranking is 7 and QS ranking is 400, my dear. And IIT Roorkee not publish the gate score, we are not getting the gate score for IIT Roorkee. These data, most of the data taken from the IITs or respective ISC Bangalore authenticate data and approximate authenticate data, and IIT Roorkee not publish their gate score, they mention the marks. So these are the marks in 2020 year for general category, EWS category, OBC, SC and ST. If you getting the 70 plus marks in 2020 and 74 marks in 2019, then you will get the admission. For a EWS 70 and 76 plus, and for a OBC 60 plus marks you will get the admission in 2019, 66 marks, and for a SC category 47 and 51 respectively 2020 and 2019, and for a ST category 38 plus and 35 plus marks for a 2020 and 2019 respectively. Because we are not getting the current data for a 2021, that's why I am not including 2021, I am getting the data of 2020 and 2019. That's why I am taking these two data. Otherwise, most of the IITs I have taken the data for 2021 and last 2 years, but last year data it is not available on IIT website. That's why I didn't take it. And this is the campus area. It is also spread in 365 acre, and it is also one of the oldest IIT, 150 years. It is also globally recognized. It has a its curriculum also provide broad based knowledge and simultaneously build a temper for a lifelong process of learning and exploring. You know each and every one. If you are in IITs or ISC, then you have different mindset. Your way of thinking and way of doing the questions, a way of taking a problem is different. Now, what are the important dates? Advertisement you will get the last week of March, and online application process start from second week of April, and written test या interview schedule you will get second week of May, and the date of written test or interview you will get first week of June. After that, IIT Guwahati, this has an NIRF National Institutional Ranking Framework is 8. NIRF ranking is 8 and QS ranking is 395, my dear student. And this is the specialization. Again same thing, it is also offer computer science and engineering. Most of the IITs, ISC Bangalore offer CSA for a core stream, computer science and automation, or otherwise most of the IITs offer only computer science and engineering. And these are the GATE score in a 2020 744 and 2019 763 for a general category, for a EWS 752 and 722 in 2020 and 2019 respectively, for a OBC non-creamy layer in 2020 647 and 2019 696, for a SC category 515 and 541 for 2020 and 2019, and for a ST category 445 respectively. And this is also spread in 704 acre area, world class facility. IIT also very good. IIT Guwahati also have very renowned name. Now these are the dates. Advertisement you will get second last week of March, my dear. Mean to say, you will get the notification in the second last week of March, and you can apply the application for a IIT second last week of April, and written test या interview schedule you will get second week of May, my dear. In the second week of May you can get the details, and date of written test is what? First week of June. Mean to say, what happened, my dear? What happened? More or less each and every IITs, once the GATE result declare, after that most of the, like 1 week ago, 1 week after, any during the 2-3 weeks they will advertise ki yes, we are taking admission, and the online process start. So please, these are the GATE score. Why I am telling to these GATE scores, so you get the idea ki if my GATE score is how much, then I can get the admission in this IIT or ISC or NITs. तो उसके behalf पे आप जो भी बच्चे का गेट स्कोर आएगा, these are the approximate gate score in the previous 2 years, last 2 years. So उसके behalf पे you can judge कि which options is available for you. Already I told I have taken topmost 7 IITs and NITs, 5 NITs and ISC Bangalore. So you will get the idea कि कहाँ अप्लाई करना है और कौन से मेरे को चांस मिल पाएगा और किस में मेरा इजीली हो जाएगा, और क्या क्या स्ट्रीम में मैं अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ, उसमें क्या क्या कट ऑफ है. बिकॉज IITs के लिए दीज आर सेम, मोर और लेस दीज आर सेम, बट फॉर NITs वी हैव सम अदर ब्रांच, अदर स्ट्रीम्स ऑल्सो, अदर स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑल्सो. सम NITs ऑफर 2 स्पेशलाइजेशन, सम NITs ऑफर ओनली 1, सम NITs ऑफर 3 स्पेशलाइजेशन, विच विल डिस्कस वन बाई वन, डोंट वरी. And one more important thing, my dear, these are the placements data. So IIT Madras average package for a computer science engineer, देखो this data is average package, it may be more. Don't think it this is only is the data. When you will take the admission, when you complete your MTech, then this number will be increased. Definitely this number will be increased. This is the current scenario na. So IIT Madras it will be 22 lakh per annum, ISC Bangalore 20 lakh average package. I am talking only average package, not minimum or maximum. Maximum could be anything. You listen in the news also कि IIT Kanpur student, IIT Bangalore, ISC Bangalore student get the 2 CR package, 2 crore package. So these are the different case. I am talking only average package of this college. And IIT Bombay 18.5 lakh, IIT Delhi 16 lakh, IIT Kanpur again 18.5, IIT Kharagpur 19 lakh, IIT Roorkee 18.5 lakh, and IIT Guwahati also 18.5 lakh. Mean to say all the IITs ISC Bangalore have the package more than 18 lakh, more than 18 lakh, है ना. But you can say IIT Delhi only 16 was some time bus, but more or less each and every IITs or ISC Bangalore, if you are preparing for GATE, yeah, if you are preparing for GATE 2023 and 2024 also, so listen my dear, if you start your journey, start your preparation, then you have a chance to get this package. And there is a very big difference when you take an admission in BTech. Let's suppose you get the placement in BTech also. I am not denying that this is bad, but you think it, what is your requirement? If you are able, it depends on your family condition also. If you are able to give 2 more years for a MTech, then it's a best option, my dear student, because you can see the difference, you can see the tag, you can see the education quality ki how much you improve your education status also. Now these are the major companies: Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Intel, Cisco, Apple, ISRO also, and these are lots of companies. In computer science there are lots of companies, but I am taking only major which is available on the IIT website also. I am not saying only these companies, these are some of them. There are lots of companies, and you know all are IT's companies, so we have lots of option when you take the admission in ISC Bangalore or any IITs or NITs also. After the IITs, I am talking about the NITs. So first of all, NIT Tirchi, it has a NIRF ranking is 9 for engineering segment, and general ranking is 23, my dear student. And it offer only one branch, computer science and engineering, my dear student. In 2021 and 2020 the GATE score is required 749 and 791. Mean to say in 2021 if you have more than 700 score, then you will get the admission in NIT Tirchi. And EWS category 678 in 2021 and 709 in 2020. For a OBC non-creamy layer 661 and 659, and for a SC category 507 and 504 in 2021 and 2020 respectively. For a ST category 360 and 379, my dear student. More or less if you get the 700 plus score, then you will get the chance in NIT Tirchi. And one more important thing about the NIT Tirchi is also well renowned institute for CS branch, and it compete with some of the new IITs also. Means NIT Tirchi का भी बहुत अच्छा नाम है ना. कुछ जो न्यू IITs है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि दे आर बैड, बट उनसे भी रैंकिंग के मामले में NIT तिरछी का नाम ऊपर आता भी है ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी उनका भी. और इसमें भी काफ़ी स्कोप्स है, काफ़ी रिसर्च एरिया भी बहुत अच्छा है. तो यू विल गेट द चांस इफ़ यू गेट स्कोर इज नॉट सो गुड टू गेट द चांस इन ISC Bangalore और एनी टॉप मोस्ट IITs, then you have an option of NIT Tirchi also, my dear students. Now what are the campus life? It is also spread over a 1000 acre area, world class facility, best environment for the self growth, and they have several fast also, and you will get the complete grooming yourself. And NIT Surathkal, this as an NIRF ranking is 10 and overall ranking is 32, my dear student. And they offer 2 branches, 2 specialization: computer science and engineering, information security, and pure computer science and engineering, my dear. And what are the cutoff for a CSE computer science engineering? For a general category in 2021 713 and 2020 721, and for EWS category 657 and 650. Mean to say if you getting 650 plus score, then you will get the chance here. OBC 638 and 628 in 2021 and 2020 respectively. For a SC category 500 and 496, and for a ST 308 and 352 for a 2021 and 2020 respectively. Mean to say if you belongs to SC or ST category, then if you score 300 plus, then you have the chance to get this NITs. And for a information security branch 673 in 2021 and 678 in 2020, and for EWS 631 and 628, for a OBC 615 and 597 in 2021 and 2020, and for a SC 481 and 453 in 2021 and 2020, and for ST 277 and 344. So you have an option also this NITs, and this is also spread in 295 acre area, and it is also provide world class facility, great atmosphere, great culture, great opportunity, and it will motivate you to live full life here, my dear students. Now NIT Rourkela, it also have NIRF ranking in 20 position, and overall ranking is 41. It offers 3 specialization: information security, that code I also written IS, and software engineering SE, and computer science, here notice CS, that is why I mention here XS. Computer science is known as XS, but do not worry, no need to remember this code word. We only know that we have 3 specialization in this Rourkela: information security, software engineering, and computer science. And what are the cutoff in 2021 and 2020 for a general category, EWS category, OBC non-creamy layer, SC and ST. For information security in 2021 593, but for a software engineering 588, and for a computer science 620. You can see, if you want to choose the core computer science, only computer science, not software engineering or information security, then you require more than 600 plus score. But in 2020 589, 577, again 643, mean to say for a computer science you required more than 600 plus GATE score. And EWS category for a 2021 561, 535 and 588, and for a 2020 535, 519 and 562. In OBC non-creamy layer 561, 495 and 569 in 2021, and 542, 523 and 566 in 2020. And for a SC category in 2020 were 414, 388 and 450. Mean to say, if you get 450 score, then you get the admission in computer science also. But if you have less than 400, then you will get software engineering, approx 400 you will get IS branch also. And 2020 391, 370 and 449. In 2020 ST data is not available, and 2021 this data is not available, and for a 2020 282 for information security, and computer science 333, 333 is required. And these are the campus area. It is also spread in 1200 acre. It is also globally recognized institute, and NIT Rourkela has 40 clubs, student organizations, and NIT Rourkela has 4 annual event. First one is innovation, Vriddhi, Nirutsav, and festival also, Cosmopolitan festival also. And after the NIT we are talking about, after the NIT Rourkela I am talking about NIT Warangal. This is also one of the dream choice for the CSE student, and it have a NIRF ranking is 23 and overall ranking is 59, my dear. And it also offered 2 specialization: computer science and information security, and computer science and engineering. One is CSE, computer science and engineering, and second one is CS and IS, information security. And what are the cutoff for a 2021 year? 678 and 713 in a computer science and engineering. In 2020 716 and 756. You can see, if you are getting more than 700 score, then you have the chance to get the admission in this NIT. For EWS category 637 and 663 in 2021, and 655 and 721 in the year of 2020. For a OBC non-creamy layer 608 and 631, and for a 2020 627 and 647. For a SC category 477 and 504 in 2021. In the year of 2020 480 and 507, and for a ST category in 2021 313 and 315 for computer science and engineering, and in 2020 313 and 378. So my dear student, you can see, if you want to take a admission in this NIT, so you require, if you belongs to general category, you require 700 score at least, and EWS category 650 plus score, and OBC also 625 score. If you belongs to SC category, then 500 score is required. If you belongs to ST category, then 320 score, more than 320 you will get the admission in this. And it is also spread in 248 acre area. It is also renowned with world class facility, and there are lots of technical and cultural event. And after that I am talking about NIT Calicut. It has a NIRF ranking is 25 and overall ranking is 95. It also offer 2 branches, 2 specialization in computer science and engineering, information security, and computer science in engineering, CSE and CSIS. And these are the GATE score which is required in 2021 and 2020. For a general category, computer science and engineering 665, and information security it is required 616, my dear. In the year of 2020 678 and 620. For EWS category in the year of 2021 623 and 597, my dear. In the year of 2020 597 and 589. In OBC non-creamy layer in the year of 2021, 593 and 584. For a OBC in 2020, 585 and 574. For a SC category, 477 and 431. In 2021, in the year of 2020, 449 and 444. And for a ST category, 286 in 2021 and 259 for a computer science and engineering and information security. Mean to say, if you having score approx 600 plus, 600 to 650, then you have a chance to get the admission in NIT Calicut for a general category, or approx 600 for a EWS category, and 550 above you will get the chance if you belongs to OBC non-creamy layer, and 400 to 30 plus, yeah, you can say approx 450 you will get the chance, and for ST category approx 300, yeah, 300 plus definitely you will get the chance in this NIT. And this is also spread in 300 acre area, and it is also globally recognized institute, and it also have lots of annual events and 2 major annual event, Techno Management Festival Tatva and Cultural Festival Ragam. So these are the package, more or less each and every NITs, more or less average package is 8 to 10 lakh. It is average package, it could be more also. So these are the NITs, Tirchi, Surathkal, Rourkela, Warangal and Calicut. I have taken only 5 NITs, and these are the average package 8 to 10 lakh. It could be more, and it depend on student to student also, and I am not talking about the highest package, my dear student. I am talking only about the average package of these NITs. And there are various companies you can see, Google, Microsoft, Flipkart, Amazon, each and every, like Cisco and L&T, Infosys, TCS, each and every company, but I am taking only major companies which provide the higher package. So in these NITs, like in IITs, you have COAP, Common Offer Acceptance Portal, for in which you will get the chance ki where you get the admission, and where you have to apply separately. But what happen, you have to see on a scope. By registering a COP, then you can see ki which IIT or which ISC, which admission or which IIT I have get the choice by offered by the COP portal. And similarly, here we have CCMT, Centralized Counseling for MTech. CCMT is online admission counseling process to get the admission in MTech for NITs, and these are the dates of CCMT registration. First week of June you have to registration and fee payment and online choice filling date, and last date of online filling or locking by the candidate first week of July, and automatic locking. If you are not locked, if you forget, then automatic locking of the saved choice, that is also first week of July. So my dear student, these are the some information that will very helpful in GATE 2022 when you get the scorecard. Then based on these data, you can predict ki in which IIT or which NIT according to your GATE scorecard you can get the admission. So, and once again I am saying, if your scorecard is not so good, so don't feel nervous. You can prepare. If you have time, you can prepare, you can apply, you can prepare for GATE 2023, or you can, if you get the admission, then you can take admission. I am here talking about only topmost 5 NITs, but it doesn't mean that there are not so many NITs. There are lots of NITs also, triple ITs also, BITS Pilani, and some centralized universities also, and some like BITS very reputed institutes also are there. So you can apply if you want to take and don't want to take one more year, you can apply. It depends on person to person and what is your requirement and what is your financial situation. So I am not pointing any out. So each and every one, these are the some important data which I am sharing with you, and hope so this video is beneficial for you. Thank you each and everyone. If you like the video, then please like it. If you not subscribe the channel till now, kindly subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you everyone.